All right, guys, I'm back for another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make the custom graduation or prom buttons. Today, I'll be making prom buttons. So the first thing I'm going to do is head over to Canva. All right, and once you get in Canva, you can go ahead and create a design. So the template for the button is about a 2.2 inches. I'm not going to create a design because I've already been working on the button. So I'm going to go ahead and just go into my mock-ups. But in order to create a workspace for the button, you can create a design and then you can use like flyer 8.5 by 11, and then you can click on it and go ahead and create the workspace. But I'm going to use the mock-up I already have. Okay. And I'm going to accept. Okay. So I'm going to use this. So what you can do is go over to elements. Let me X that out. And on elements, you can click right here on frame, or you can type it in. All right. So I want this circle. So let me just go down here. I'm going to add a page and I'm going to click on the circle. All right. And next, I'm going to go to my uploads and grab my picture. Okay, so let me find my picture. All right, so there's my picture. And then I'm going to, let me make that. I'm going to hover over the circle so it can go inside my frame. And if you guys wanted to adjust this picture, you can double click on it. Okay, I'm just waiting on my computer to load. So you can double click and you can kind of adjust the picture where you want it. All right, and then click done, and there it is. So now I want to add my text. I'm going to click on text, and I'll click on subheading. And they want 2K. Let me double click. 2K24. And that's what this person wants on their button. So I'm going to go ahead and change the text color to white. Do it again. Change it to white. Come on now. There it is. So I'm going to change it to white, and I'm going to make it a little bigger. And you can change the font if you wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and edit this and bring it up. So my 2024 is not exactly on her face. And there it is. So I'll leave that right there. Then I'm just going to go ahead and group this together. Now, you cannot print in Canva. So what you want to do is just say you had to print a lot of them. And I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this. I could just add, hold on. Duplicate. And then I can just hit the plus right there to duplicate it as well. And I'm going to go over to share, download, and I want it as a PNG. And it doesn't matter if it's transparent or not, because you're going to cut around the image as you will see in part 2. And then you will click, hold on. You may only have one page, but since I have 4 pages, I only want to download the current page. So that's page 4. Click done. And then you go ahead and download. All right. So after you download the image, there it is. You will print this out on a regular inkjet printer. And in part 2 of the video, I will show you what supplies you need to create these buttons. All right, guys, I'll see you in part 2.